Everyone wants to know how creators are getting millions of views on Facebook every single month and turning that into income. As someone who has done up to 49 million views in a single month on Facebook and understands exactly how to research what's working, today I'm going to share with you one of the easiest ways that people are blowing up on Facebook. And it's not just motivational quotes like we discussed in the last video. Today we're going to be talking about the theme of sarcasm. And the crazy part is these pages are getting hundreds of thousands of likes and shares, just posting simple, relatable, and sometimes savage content. So I'm going to walk you through how to build a Facebook page around this step by step today. We're going to go over how to find the viral posts and 2 different ways to turn it into a real income. By now, hopefully you know that Facebook isn't just a place to scroll and waste time anymore or connect with friends and family. It's literally paying people simply for posting photos, text, reels, and stories. And I've personally been making a full-time income online for the past 15 years, and Facebook has always been an essential part of my income. But the entire game changed when Facebook introduced their monetization program, which we're talking about today. And what I'm showing you isn't theory, these are things that are working right now in this very moment. So let's pop over to Facebook and I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. So today, instead of searching for motivation like we did in the last video, we're going to search for sarcasm. You could also do like sarcasm quotes, funny truths, or savage quotes, anything like that. And then you want to click on pages, and then a ton of top pages are going to pop up. So we have one here literally just called sarcasm with 47 million followers. And the important thing to look for is that they're active within the last 2 weeks. Here's another one, sarcasm daily, 6.4 million followers active within the last week. There are tons of these in the millions to model content from. So let's just click on this one, and just keep in mind a good theme page always has the keyword in the title of the page because that helps with search. People do use Facebook as a search engine, and that will help people find your page. So we can see that they have very simple text-based image posts and they're getting tons of engagement on here. So this is a great page to model. And just like I showed you guys for the motivation niche, then we would want to find 10 more pages like this and then load them up into our post planner app to do some research. But the reason why this type of content works so well on Facebook, it's because people think this is so me, right? This post right here says I'm the most introverted yet chatty, clumsy yet sociable, outgoing yet unsocial person you'll ever meet. Someone is just going to say, yes, that is totally me. They're going to want to share it. They're going to want to comment. They're going to want to like, and that is going to trigger the Facebook algorithm to push it out to more people. It's emotional, but in a humorous way. That is it. That is exactly what is going to drive the shares and the reach, which equals views and more pay. So now I have loaded this page into Post Planner to do my research. Now, if you don't have Post Planner yet, I do have a free trial for you that I will link down below in the description box, along with a full tutorial on how to fully use this. But as a quick overview, you can search content from a page in the last 12 months, in the last 30 days, in the last week, past 24 hours. You can sort those by likes or shares, and you can just see what is actually going viral for them. So this one right here, they posted 4 months ago. It got 276,000 likes, 120,000 shares, 2,500 comments. And you can see that they have a ton of posts at that level of engagement. So what that tells you is this page has content that is proven to go viral. So they are tapping into emotions that people want to interact with. So if you can build an audience in the same niche, sarcasm, and then you can post similar type of content without copying them, right? The goal is to take inspiration and put your own spin on it, to make it in your own voice, to have the same vibe but slightly different wording. So let's take this post for example. You can use ChatGPT for this. Just type the sentence in there and ask ChatGPT to give you like 10 different variations of that sentence. So here it says, getting older is crazy. One wrong pillow angle and your neck is disabled for the entire week. You could rewrite that as the harsh reality of getting older. Sleep on your pillow at the wrong angle and your neck is out of commission for a month, right? So it has the same vibe, it's saying the same thing, but you're using totally different words and sentences, so it is not exactly the same. And if we look here at this post, you can see that they are putting their branding down here at the bottom. So everything is watermarked and branded to their page. And then we can come into Canva and we can just use this Facebook post template to create our own version of the sarcasm image. So then over in Canva, I just added some simple text, and what you want to keep in mind is you don't even want to copy another page's color scheme. You want to stand out from the other people in that niche. Black and white tends to always work really, really well. The posts that we just saw, they were using like a tan color background. And like I said, you don't want to look like a clone of another page, another brand. You want to stand out. So change the colors, get your own branding, create your own templates to look different from them. And then we simply download it right here, and then it is ready to post on the page. So as you see, it doesn't have to be overly complicated. It doesn't have to be fancy. It can be very simple. The goal is just easy to read. And the goal is to start with 6 posts per day and work your way up to a posting frequency that you can maintain on a daily basis, because Facebook loves consistency. They love the same posting cadence. So find something that you can stick to and you will do great. Now there are 2 ways to make money with this, and I'm just going to use the dashboard of the page that I set up in the last video. If you didn't watch that, I'll link it down below. But basically I set up this page step by step. So if you don't have a page set up yet, you're definitely going to want to watch that. But we're going to click on professional dashboard here, and we're going to go over to monetization. And then this is where it will show you the programs that you can opt into. And the one that we really like is content monetization. So you click on that, and right here it will tell you to express your interest in the program, and you just click that button. Now I already did that in the last video, and so it says that I'm currently on the wait list. There is no right now current outline of what it takes to get invited. You just have to show up and post consistently. Now I've had students get monetized in as soon as 28 days with only 1,000 followers, and I've had students that took them until they got to 40,000 followers in 6 months before they actually got monetized. So like I said, you just have to commit to putting in the work, showing up daily, creating the content, building the engaged audience, and eventually Facebook should invite you. My students have had very good success with posting consistently and then getting invited. And then once you are invited, they pay you for your engagement. And my stats right now currently say I earn 23 cents per 1,000 views on my photo post. Now, my second way to monetize a Facebook page, which is my favorite, you can do this right away. You don't have to wait to be invited to the Facebook monetization program. You can start this right now, and you can start it 100% free. And I've actually been doing print on demand and making money with this way before I ever got monetized on Facebook. So this is a great place to start in order to start earning some income. So once you actually have a winning post on your Facebook page, then you can actually take whatever it said in that post and put it on different products, whether it is a tote bag like it's showing in the picture here, or you could do t-shirts, sweatshirts, mugs, hoodies, stickers. The possibilities are really endless. So let's say this was one of your top winning posts on your page. We can go ahead and download this with a transparent background, and we'll make this a size 2 for high print quality, and we're going to download it to our computer. Then we're going to take that over to Printify and put it on, let's say, a mug. So then we just search Printify's catalog for their mugs, and if you scroll down, you can see the 2 best sellers right here. So these ones are with the colored handles, and these are just white. You can see that the wholesale price starts at $4.93, and then you can charge something like $15 or so, and then keep the difference and keep the $10 difference once an item sells. You do not have to stock any inventory. You don't have to ship anything. Printify literally prints, packs, and ships directly to your customers that you get from Facebook. And you can set up a pop-up store right here on Printify, 100% free, no money to get started, and they'll pay you your commissions once per month. All all you have to do is click Start Designing, and then simply upload your design. So we just put our little text there, and over here it will say that it's high resolution, which means it will have a really good print quality, and then you can preview it right there. I'm just going to go ahead and duplicate this real quick to make sure that it is on both sides of the mug, and then let's preview. So there we go. That is what it will look like on a mug. This is called a mock-up, and Printify gives you several mock-ups so your customers can see exactly what it's going to look like when they purchase it. And then we can save the product, and then you can publish it to a free Printify pop-up shop just like this one that I have created, and you will be all set to sell this on your Facebook theme page. So you can just post something like, you guys loved this one, so I had to put it on a mug. Do you love it? And you can put a nice little lifestyle photo of the mug, like in your office space. And then in the comments, you just drop a link to your Printify pop-up shop store. It is truly that simple, and your customers will already be telling you what they want based on the engagement on the Facebook page. And the cool thing is, it's really simple to get followers to a theme page. I would say much more simpler than a personal profile. And one of my favorite ways to do that is with this little advertise button right here. You can get followers for as little as $2 per day. And yes, it's worth it. I've been doing this for years, building theme pages with this little button right here. So if you need more assistance on that, I would love to see you inside of my mentorship program, and I would love to help you knock this out of the park. And this is what most people don't understand. You really don't need to reinvent anything. Most of the answers are out there. However, there is a system behind things that you don't always visibly see. But the key elements are to find what is already working, put your own spin on it so it is uniquely yours with your own voice, and then stay consistent. Show up day after day after day, even when it gets boring, even when you're maybe not getting as much engagement as you would like, even when your monetization income fluctuates, right? Success is more like this. Never in a straight upward line. It's always crazy, twisty twirls in order to continue on a somewhat upward trajectory over time. So if you're serious about building Facebook as an income stream, and you don't want to waste months trying to figure it out on your own, piecing together free information here or there, and just getting straight to exactly what works, and locking arms with people who are already doing it, I walk you through my entire blueprint and help you fill in the blanks in my live coaching. And I highly recommend having a mentor and a community that you can connect with on a daily basis so that that rising tide can lift all ships. Because once you understand how this works and you're in the environment where it is already working, you stop guessing, you start feeling more inspired, more motivated, and taking more action, having more confidence in your plan, and you start building something real that can actually last. So as always, my best resources for you are going to be linked down below. If you're not subscribed, be sure to do so, and I'll see you in the next video.